Namaste everyone, my name is Yoshita. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's topic is yoga for irregular periods. These days the girls are suffering lots of problems like PCOD, PCOS and irregular periods also. Let us discuss some of the reasons why this is very common in nowadays. So that includes a very poor and unhealthy lifestyle, along with that unhealthy eating habits. Some girls, they are eating lots of junk food and then oily food, and then it gets stuck in the intestine, in the uterus walls, and can cause fatty cells more in the body. Then it is the unhealthy sleeping habits also, sleeping late in the night, waking up very late in the morning, or it is lack of physical exercise or taking too much stress. These are some of the common reasons why the girls are suffering from these irregular periods, because the body is not functioning internally properly. So what we will focus in today's class is we'll practice 5 asana which are very beneficial to everyday practice for the girls to increase the blood circulation in the body and to stretch the muscles of the pelvic area, which are very helpful for the regular period flow. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so we start. The first asana is Ardha Chakrasana or the half wheel pose. It is very beneficial to stretch the lower abdominal muscles and helps in healthy excretion of the blood from the body. So now we have to keep both the palms on the waist. Inhale, roll the shoulders back, squeeze your hip muscles and push your pelvis forward. Go in the back bend. Stay there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come up. Now we will repeat this 2 more times. So inhale, roll your shoulders. Exhale, push your pelvis forward. You must feel the pressure here in your lower abdomen, and then stay there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now last time, palms behind your hip, roll the shoulders, and then exhale, slide your hands down and stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Softly come back, micro bend your knees and lengthen your spine. Relax your both the hands down and just stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Gently come back. So now we go for the second one. This is known as Malasana or the yogi squat. Very beneficial for the healthy excretion from the body. So you can practice this during the periods also, before and after also. So you need to join your palms, slightly turn your toes out, very slightly from here, slightly out. Join the palms, inhale and exhale, slowly squat down. Then you need to open the knees out, lengthen your chest and torso and just look forward. Remember, the purpose here is pushing your knees out. If you find it too difficult, you can place your hands also down and take a gentle support. Okay, now we stay there for 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly put your both the elbows over your knees and push the knees out. Open your pelvis a bit more. This is very helpful to open the pelvic area and for the healthy excretion. So you can keep practicing it and stay there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release, palms down, and then gently come back to the center. Okay, so now the third pose is known as Baddha Konasana or the butterfly pose. Again, a very beautiful pelvic opener pose. So it helps in the improved blood circulation towards the pelvis and also in the pelvic opening. So we need to interlock the fingers to the tip of the toes, then keeping your feet together and start stretching your knees up and down. Try to lengthen your spine and popping out your chest for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now stay there for 5. Keep pressing your knees down. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now gently place your palms over your knees. Stretch them up and down for 1. Very good. 2, 3. Remember, it is not a jerky movement. Gentle pressing. 4 and 5. Now slightly lean forward and stay there. Keep pushing your knees down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Now this was the butterfly. We will do one variation for that. What you have to do here is, it is the reverse butterfly. So when you sit in the butterfly, slowly place your palms forward and you need to shift your weight forward, turning your toes to the back side, and then placing your palms in the front. Try to push your pelvis down as much as possible, like this. Keep pushing your pelvis down and look forward. This is very good pelvic opener. We have to stay there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, tuck your toes in and slowly go back to the child pose. Relax yourself. Okay, so now we go for the fourth one, that is known as Ustrasana or the camel pose. Again, a lower abdominal stretch, very good to strengthen the lower abdominal muscles. So what you have to do here is, place your both the palms on your abdomen, lift your knees up, slightly keep your toes apart, then roll your shoulders back, push your pelvis forward, and then go in the back bend. If you want to go deeper, slowly grab your ankles and then push your hips forward and stay there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Remember, you should feel the stretch here in your lower abdominal area. We will slowly come back, one hand on your waist, then slowly push and then come back to the child pose and relax yourself here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, slowly come back. Okay, so now we will do the last pose, that is known as Ardha Matsyendrasana or half Lord of the Fishes pose. Very beneficial to twist your abdominal and your uterus muscle to increase the excretion process in the body. So very healthy for the excretion. What we have to do here is, you need to bend the left leg, slowly take it over the right knee, then take your right hand up, stretch your torso and slowly wrap your left ankle over the left knee with your right hand. Then take your left hand back on your waist and twist to the back. If you find it very difficult, you can slowly drop your left hand down and try to lengthen, open your chest. Remember, the purpose is that you should feel the abdominal contraction here. Stay there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Now we switch the side. So you have to bend the right leg, keep it over the left knee, take your left arm up and slowly wrap your right ankle with the left hand and then turn to the back. Remember the abdominal contractions and then stay there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Slowly release. Come back, shake your legs and just give yourself a hug. Hug your knees to the chest and say thank you to your beautiful body and slowly come up and relax. Okay, so practice these 5 asanas every day. Very helpful to increase the blood circulation towards your pelvic, to open the pelvic muscles and leads to the healthy excretion from the body. I hope this video helps you, and if you like my video, do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more. Namaste.